Hi, so today is January 27. We are going to unbox a package that was sent last January 18. So it is the courier for 10 days. So this is came from Davao. I'm not sure if the plant is still alive, but we're going to open this now. This is my first time to buy from Davao. Just a try though, so we're going to open this one. How are we going to? Yeah, bottom part is quite soft already, so I don't know what happened to the plant now. Let's open this one. Okay. There it is. Here it is. Okay. It's quite dirty. Oh. Some of the plants are already dead. So I have this one. This one is still alive. Oh, it's okay. These are Episcias that I bought from Tagum. This one, I think we can still salvage this one. We can still recover this one. But yeah, it's quite dead. This one is I'm not sure if we can still make this one alive. So this one is good. This one is also okay. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wasn't the 7? I think it's. So out of 7, I thought I ordered 8, but maybe I ordered 7. I'm not sure. I forgot. So out of 7, one of them could be dead. Could already be dead. But the other 6 though. The other 6 is not that okay. but I can still make this one alive. They are still good. Only this one is I'm not sure if you can still have this one alive. But so, the one thing I notice here though, because sellers who are not that experienced, they try to place the plants in a box. They try to make it compact in a box. Sometimes what you need to do if you are sending plants, make sure there is a room for the plants. So because the box was placed in the Kilo Box Mini, it should have been packed in the Kilo Box Small. It is a bigger box. So okay, this is the small box. The Kilo Box Small is as large as twice as the Mini, and there is a space in the box for the plants to maybe have an air circulation there. So I have already experienced that every time that the plants are packed up, crowded in the box, they do not arrive very good. So this one did not arrive the best one, but I can still the 6 of them can still be nourished and it will grow. My problem here is only this one, the one with the with no leaf in it. The others with leaves in it or good can still be recover. They can still recover to be a good plant. So that's it. The only thing that I can see here is that I think the seller is not that experienced though. If you are the seller, it is important to ask some feedbacks from the receiver, from your buyer, because it will improve your packaging, your shipping method. So this one, the one thing that I can see here is that the seller should have used a bigger box, because anyway it is still the same. The Kilo Box Mini is 95 pesos. The Kilo Box Small and the Kilo Box Slim is still 95 pesos. It will only bigger with the Kilo Box Medium, which is I think at 385, and the medium the medium is 385, and the large is 500 plus, less than 600, and the extra large is 2000. So if it doesn't make any difference, use the bigger box always if you are a seller, and always make sure that there is a room of air inside the box when you pack the plants. So this one is a little crowded there, that's why one of them is dead. So that's it. If you want content like this, please click the subscribe and notification bell, and share the video if you like the video, and if you think that you can learn something from this video, please share the video. Thank you for watching.